late afternoon, November 7th, and the guy that's doing the touch-up job here for painting has already done some cleanup of everything that needs to be done. He works a second job, so he's only coming out here at night. So they've got that all buffed out and scraped out, and this is the 1979 that we've been featuring on previous videos. So he's got a bit more work to do here, obviously. Right up here, there's some work. He's got this chipped out, but he's got to buff that out yet. And I think he was only here for a couple hours the other day. That's been cut out. And that was a big one right there. And so I think he's just kind of gotten some of this stuff out. He probably was only here for a couple hours. Obviously not done yet. Lots more here that has to be taken out. So, well, that one's been buffed out there. So, yeah, this is a continuing project on the 79. The sale of this Bombardier will include the paint job. And we have two very interested buyers right now. And I know a lot of guys are asking a lot of questions, but the selling price is very close to that asking price that we had. And like I said, the sale of this Bombardier will include this paint job. So Dad and current owner, the one who's selling it, did not want to let it go without it having been done. So that's the quick update here. And there's still no snow on the ground. There's Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog. There's Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And then all the other animals are outside. And other than the cat who's just eating a late supper here.